Hello everyone. Huawei has started seeding the EMUI 12 beta for Huawei P30 Lite users in the global market. This update brings a bunch of new additions to this budget smartphone and make them available through the beta testing program ahead of stable release. However, the availability of EMUI 12.0.0.221 testing program is limited to some countries and may take some time to expand. So, Huawei P30 Lite users, do you want to know what's new with EMUI 12 beta? To know more, you can check the complete changelog on the screen.